Google has discovered your URL, but it still has not crawled or indexed the page. This is one of the most common Google Search Console issues, and repeatedly requesting indexing usually does not solve the real problem. Discovered, currently not indexed, means Google knows the URL exists. It may have found the page through your sitemap, internal links, or external links, but Googlebot has not visited and processed the page yet. Do not confuse discovered with crawled. Discovered means the page is still waiting for Googlebot. Crawled, currently not indexed, means Google has already visited the page, but decided not to include it in the search index. Google may delay crawling because of a slow server, weak internal links, duplicate pages, redirect chains, filter parameters, or thousands of low-value URLs. Low crawl demand can also leave important pages waiting in the crawling queue. Start with Google Search Console. Open URL inspection. Enter the exact page address and run a live test. Confirm that the page is publicly accessible, loads correctly, and returns a successful response to Google. Next, create clear internal links from pages Google already visits. Connect the new URL from your homepage, category page, topic hub, or a relevant article using descriptive, crawlable HTML links. Keep your XML sitemap clean and updated. Include only canonical pages you want indexed. Remove duplicate URLs, redirected pages, deleted content, and unnecessary variations before submitting the sitemap through Google Search Console. Googlebot needs a reliable website. Improve server response time. Fix repeated 5xx errors. Remove unnecessary rate limits. Shorten redirect paths, and return proper status codes for deleted pages. Better server health supports more efficient crawling. Too many filter pages, tracking parameters, duplicate archives, and internal search URLs can distract crawlers from your important content. Remove unnecessary URL noise so Googlebot can focus its attention on pages that genuinely provide value. For one or two important pages, use URL inspection and request indexing after fixing the issue. For hundreds of URLs, use an updated XML sitemap. Repeating the same request does not guarantee faster crawling. When you manage many pages or client campaigns, IndexBolt helps organize URLs into projects, handle bulk submissions, choose standard or instant processing, and track the workflow from one dashboard. Google still makes the final indexing decision. Inspect the URL, strengthen internal links, clean the sitemap, improve crawl health, submit correctly, and monitor the result. Organize your important URLs more efficiently with IndexBolt at indexbolt.com.